Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I have so many transportation vehicles for you. Wow, so many colorful transportation vehicles.
Wow!
This is a school bus.
Wow!
Red color school bus. It's school bus. Very beautiful looking school bus.
Bye-bye!
Here is a mixer truck.
Wow!
Toy mixer truck. Orange, white, two color beautiful mixer truck. It's a mini toy mixer truck. Wow, colorful mixer truck.
Bye-bye!
Beach motorbike.
Oh, yeah.
It's a toy beach motorbike. It's blue and silver color. Blue and silver. It's a beach motorbike. Very beautiful looking.
Bye-bye!
Here is another school bus. It's yellow color. Wow. Yellow color, another school bus. It's very beautiful and surprising toy bus for kids. Black. School bus.
Bye-bye!
Bicycle. It's a toy bicycle.
Wow!
Wow. It's pink, yellow and green color. Three color it has. Wow. It's really beautiful. Bicycle.
Bye-bye!
Another mixer truck.
Wow!
Wow. It's another mixer truck. It's yellow and green color. Green, yellow. Wow.
Bye-bye!
Club car.
Wow!
Toy club car. Pink, white. It has two color. Wow. Very beautiful club car. Bye bye. Helicopter. Wow. It's a toy helicopter. Wow. Toy helicopter. White and sky blue color. It's a plastic toy helicopter.
Bye-bye!
And this is the final one. Toy nano car. Pink, white and black color. It has three color. Wow, it's really beautiful. Toy nano private car. It's a metal toy private car. nano private car. So this is all for today. See you in next video. Bye bye.